moving forward, today's video we're going to be waxing ourselves. I came across some wax on IG called Wakse. See if you can see that, Wakse. And as you can see, I already used it. The wax melting pot that you can pop in the microwave. And some waxing sticks. We have the big ones and we have the small ones, which is for the face. And I also use it on my friend's underarms, and honestly 10/10 recommend. The only thing I would say is that the melting pot doesn't keep the wax warm, so you probably want to, if you're patient enough to go back and forth to the microwave, then this is fine. But if you're not patient, you might want to get an actual melting pot that's going to keep the wax warm the whole time. Talk about products that we need for waxing ourselves at home. This is the wax I bought, the wooden sticks, the reusable pot. I have a mirror so I can see the back of my Brazilian. I have some cotton pads so I can apply some baby powder because you're gonna sweat. I also have some bio oil, which is good for dark marks. I'll usually apply this to my bikini area. And then some tea tree oil, which is great to apply afterwards because your skin can be a little irritated, so this is gonna help a lot. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria, euphoria. Sleep alone, by my phone all the time. Check my phone, already knowing this. So here I'm pretty much just showing you what not to do. You want your edges to be as neat and clean as possible, because when you're gonna rip this off, you don't want it to leave wax behind. So all you have to do is go in, take more wax, and clean up the edges. Like I'm supposed to. After I blow up, act like I don't know you. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria. And always make sure to create a little lip so you have something to pull when it's time to take the wax off. Just like this. I put up off the street. Put up. Here I decided to go in and just do a big piece under my right underarm. And I just cleaned up the edges a little bit. And with this one, the wax didn't come all the way off, and that's probably because it wasn't all the way dry. So just take your time, let things dry. Secret lies, leave alone, then come back on this side. We both have high. Catch it on my camera, so I'm recording it on my iPhone, and you can see the hairs. I know this might be nasty, but this is the best way for y'all to see it. You can see, look at the little bulbs on them. It's pulling it out from the root. Okay. Yes. Come rip it off. You can do it.
We are getting salty. Yeah.
That's not just terrible. Take that, get some like that, and just rip it. Rip it good. Rip it. Now I'm just going to apply a cleanup strip to take care of anything I might have missed. And after that, we're pretty much going to be done. Your girl is going to be bald. Secret lies, leave alone, then come back on this side. We both have high euphoria. Now that we're pretty much all done, I'm just going to apply some tea tree oil to my underarms. It's good for dark underarms, it's good to soothe the skin after getting waxed, and it's good to just remove any leftover wax that you might have missed. I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Do you want me to grab that? That's pretty much it. That's it. Underarm's done. It didn't hurt. It was 1, 2, 3. I'm also gonna do my Brazilian. I'm not gonna show that on camera, but you know, these are the results. I'm sure this is gonna go well too. So see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed.
But I thought I could do better, babe. Think about you every day.